वेलकम बैक।
वेलकम बैक। अरे बाप रे, थैंक यू। रॉयल वेलकम कर रहे हैं आप लोग। थैंक यू।
हरी बोल, हरी बोल।
We were waiting for this moment that when we can open it, reopen it. And
ऐसा मुझे याद नहीं था कि करताल इधर भी रखा है। क्यों रख रहे हो?
तो पास में माइक्रोफोन हो रही ना, जो थोड़ा ऊपर रखिए तो बेटर होगा मुझे लगता है।
हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी,
जय राधा माधव
कुंज
बिहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी, राधा माधव गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी, गोपी जन
वल्लभ गिरवरधारी।
जयो यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन,
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यमुना तीरावनचारी, यमुना
तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी, यमुना
तीरावनचारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी, जय राधा
माधव कुंज बिहारी।
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी,
गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरवरधारी।
जय यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन,
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन,
यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन।
यमुना तीरावनचारी, यमुना
तीरावनचारी।
यमुना तीरावनचारी, यमुना
तीरावनचारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी, जय राधा
माधव कुंज बिहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी, जय राधा माधव
कुंज बिहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय
जय
राधा
माधव
कुंज बिहारी
हरे
कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम
राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम
राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
कृष्णा
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 हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे
हरे राम राम
राम हरे हरे
जय राधा राधा गोपीनाथ राधे जय
राधा गोपीनाथ राधे
जय गौरानिताय जय गौरानिताय
जय गौरानिताय जय गौरानिताय
जय प्रभुपाद जय प्रभुपाद जय
प्रभुपाद
निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
जय कलयुग पावन हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
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 ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य
ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया
ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया
चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन
चक्षुरुन्मिलितं
तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः
तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः
नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय
नमो विष्णुपादाय
कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले
कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले
श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त
श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त
स्वामिनिति नामिने
स्वामी नित्यामिने
नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे
नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी
गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे
गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी
निर्विशेष शून्यवादी
निर्विशेष शून्यवादी
पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे
पाश्चात्य देश तारिणी
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
प्रभु नित्यानंद
प्रभु नित्यानंद
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
श्रीवास आदि गौर भक्त वृंद
शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद
हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे
हरे राम
हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे
राम हरे हरे
Hare Krishna. So welcome everyone again after a long time. We are continuing our discussions on Bhagavad Gita, and we'll continue from second chapter of Bhagavad Gita. It is described in scriptures how one should spend his day or her day. प्रातः द्यूत प्रसंगेन मध्याह्न स्त्री प्रसंगात रात्रौ चौर प्रसंगेन कालो गच्छति धीमताम. How a sober person spends his day? In the morning he should hear about gambling. प्रातः द्यूत प्रसंगेन. मध्याह्न स्त्री प्रसंगात. दोपहर में थोड़ी स्त्रियों की चर्चा होनी चाहिए. And रात्रौ चौर प्रसंगेन. In the evening you should hear about thievery, stealing. That's how sober person spends his day. कैसा लगा?
Off the topic.
So what's the meaning of this? Why I'm saying this is because this is what we are doing now. Where is the famous gambling match mentioned? In scriptures. Mahabharat. And in Mahabharat, what is also there? Bhagavad Gita. So we should begin our day with discussions on Bhagavad Gita. That's what we are doing now. We are beginning our day with discussions on the topics of Krishna. Pratah Dyut Prasangena. Madhyan Stri Prasangat. You know, there is one scripture which began with one lady doing some garbad. In the middle also another lady came, she did another garbad. And in the end, one lady also got involved in something. Any guesses? Ramayana, thank you. It began with Kaikeyi sending Ram to Vanvas. Then in the middle, Shurpanakha came and ENT surgery was done. And then in the end, Mother Sita went in the womb of earth, Bhumi Devi. So in the afternoon it is said we should hear about Ramayana, because that describes how to be very, very loyal and consistent to the principles, the values of life. Because when we are working in the world, so many temptations will come, so many people will have to deal with. When we are fixed in our value system, then we can handle all the ups and downs, all the immoralities of the world. And रात्रौ चौर प्रसंगिना, कौन से फेमस चोर है? अरे माखन चोर, Krishna. So in the evening we should hear about the stories of Krishna. So that's why Srila Prabhupada has also written Krishna book. That is a summary of 10th canto of Bhagavatam. And he would say that before going to bed, you should read some of the stories of Krishna, so that when you sleep, you dream of Krishna. So that's how I thought it is the best way to begin our day, hearing Bhagavad Gita. सच में बहुत लोगों का दिन अभी 10 बजे शुरू होता है, हमारा दिन तो सुबह 4 बजे शुरू हो जाता है. So anyways, let's see how many people can make to coming for this Gita classes. So we'll continue our discussions from second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, just to have a quick recap of what is there so far. In the first chapter, first verse, Dhritarashtra, he began by asking a very interesting question. What did my sons and sons of Pandu do? Why is he asking this question? Because he is hopeful. Maybe Pandavas will become more charitable. Dharma kshetra hai, thoda prabhav hoga un pe. Maybe he was fearful also. My sons should not change. They should not become dharmic. They should not say हम लोग दे देते हैं ऐसे ही राज्य. He is having so many thoughts. Mamakaha Pandavaschaiva. What did my sons and sons of Pandu do? Because this is Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre. This is Dharma Kshetra. And Sanjay, he tells Dhritarashtra, your son will never change. Kabhi sudharega nahi tumhara beta. Just see, he has gone to his teacher Dronacharya. And he tells, oh my teacher, just see, your intelligent disciple has arranged all this army. You have taught him. Now please don't make the same mistake again. Because we have heard the story of Drishtadyumna, Drupada and all that. And then he takes the name of, then Duryodhan comes in picture. The camera focus is on Duryodhan now. Duryodhan takes the name of all the warriors on the side of Pandavas and he misses the most important person.
Krishna.
He's not going to fight. What is the use of taking the name of Krishna? And then he takes the name of all the warriors on his side, and one very interesting person is mentioned,
Karna.
Karna. What is so interesting about him?
He was not supposed to fight.
He is not there. He is not fighting because he had taken a vow that till the time Bhishma is there, I am not going to fight. Because in the beginning of, just before the battle was about to begin, Bhishma, he was taking the name of all the warriors and he was telling their power. He is Rathi, he is Atirathi, Maharathi, and Karna ko bolte hain is Ardharathi. Ardharathi means who needs the help to fight. Adha Rathi hai wo. Because he is cursed by so many people. And then, this is the difference between materialistic people and spiritual people. For a person who has no spiritual background, he thinks, Bhagwan ko kya zarurat hai apne जीवन में लाने का? I am happy with my achievements, my skills, my capabilities are enough for me to win over. That was Duryodhan. He didn't even want to acknowledge the presence of God in his life. But Pandavas, they very well knew. Jayastu Pandu Putranam Yesham Pakshe Janardhan. Wherever Krishna is there, victory is guaranteed. All the warriors, they blew their conch, beginning with Bhishma on the side of Kauravas. And the result was Sashabda Tumulo Abhavat. 19th verse of the first chapter. Sashabdas Tumulo Abhavat. It was a great sound. Who should blow the conch on the side of Pandavas?
Arjun.
नहीं
No,
नहीं नहीं बजाना किसको चाहिए? अरे कमांडर इन चीफ को बजाना चाहिए ना. Who is the commander in chief? Drishtadyumna is the commander in chief. But who is blowing the conch here?
Krishna.
That is Krishna. That is where Krishna enters Bhagavad Gita. Yatra, now is that 14th verse? Tata shveter hayair yukte mahati sendane sthito madhava pandavaschaiva divyau shankhau pradadmatuhu. He entered this Bhagavad Gita as a very humble chariot driver. Not as a hero. You know, hero तो ऐसा बैंक के साथ entry मारता है ना, बताया था last time. But he enters as a very humble, simple chariot driver. And then Arjun tells Krishna, please place my chariot in between the two armies. And Krishna places the chariot right in front of Bhishma and Drona, because they are dearmost to Arjun. And then Arjun gets into complete bewilderment. He gives 5 reasons he doesn't want to fight. First, he says, I am feeling compassionate. Daya aa rahi hai. Itne log mar jayenge. How will I enjoy alone if I'll kill all my family members? Because 5 generations are assembled to fight, not for a family get together. I'll become sinful by killing all of them. Paap lagega. And if the men are killed, women may be exploited. Who will protect them? So unwanted progeny may be born. Varna Sankara ultimately says, Krishna, I will not fight. We were on 3rd verse. Which verse he said?
2.6.
2.6. So 2.7 शुरू करेंगे हम, right? 2.7 is a very, very important transitional verse. The most important verse of Gita, where Arjun is surrendering to Krishna. That's where spiritual life begins. Arjun spoke so many things so far. Krishna didn't give him any instructions. When somebody comes and starts telling their problems, we are so very eager to give solutions, right? ऐसा करना, वैसा करना, ये problem है ना, इसका solution ऐसा है. The Supreme Lord, He is not giving any solution to Arjun till the time he says, आप बताओ क्या करूं. Many times people come to us and they don't expect any answers. They just want to be heard. और हमको लगता है बेचारे को सॉल्यूशन चाहिए और हम सॉल्यूशन देना शुरू करते हैं और उनको सॉल्यूशन नहीं चाहिए, so they don't take it seriously. This verse 2.7, Arjun is surrendering. We'll recite this. कार्पण्य दोषोपहता स्वभावा पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म सम्मूढ़ चेताः यश्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. Translation, somebody can read.
Now I am confused about my duty, and I have lost all my composure because miserly weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. Now I am your disciple and a soul surrendered unto you. Please instruct me.
Okay. Karpanya dosha. Karpanya comes from the word kripana. Kripana means miser, conjuice. Who is a kripana? Who has lots of wealth, but he doesn't want to spend it. He is kripana. So Arjuna is saying because of the defect of miserliness, karpanya dosha, apahata swabhava. Apahata means I am not in my proper composure. My swabhav is now not proper. This is not me. It is not so easy for Arjun to cry. He had tears in his eyes. The first verse of second chapter, he is crying in front of everyone. Bataiye, Kshatriya, for a man to cry in public, for a Kshatriya like Arjun to cry in public, it is not so easy. So he is saying, this is not my real swabhava. But somehow because of his miserly weakness, I am behaving in a very, very distorted way. So therefore what I am doing, pritchami tvam, pritchami. I am asking. What I am asking? Dharma sammudha. I am asking you what is real religion. What I am supposed to do in this condition. Because I am sammudha. Mudha, bewildered. Sammudha, completely confused. So कुछ नहीं समझ रहा है. Sammudha चेताः. Some of us have been in situations sometimes in our life. पता नहीं क्या करें अभी. कुछ समझ नहीं रहा है. Arjun was in this situation. So Bhagavad Gita is not a book for somebody to hear when they have, okay, ठीक है अभी शांति चल रही है जीवन में, भगवद गीता पढ़ना चाहिए. No, this is a book which helps us to come out of the most difficult, confusing situations. It tells us what to do when we don't know what to do. क्या करना है नहीं मालूम ना? You should know what to do. Turn to Gita. Turn to some teachers. That is what Arjun is doing here. Pritchami tvam dharma sammudha chetah. Yashreya. Shreya means, there are two words. Shreyas and preyas. Shreyas means, preyas means short-term welfare. Short-term goodness. Short-term goals. Preyas means long-term goals. Just like small children. खेलने के लिए छोड़ दीजिए, दिन भर खेलेंगे. उनको पढ़ना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. But parents, they know, oh, they'll not study. If they'll not study now, they'll not be able to do well in future. So the parents, they know about future. Shreya. They are not short-sighted. They are long-sighted. Far-sighted. So therefore he is saying, Yashreya syan. Don't tell me the short-term things. Tell me what is good for me in the long run. अभी थोड़े से के लिए अच्छा लगेगा, but आगे फिर से गड़बड़ नहीं होना चाहिए. Just like a person who goes to a doctor and the doctor is not so expert, he gives some symptomatic treatment. And then patient is happy, okay, boils थे चले गए, अभी अच्छा लग रहा है. If a person is having a heart disease and he goes to a doctor and he is not a good doctor, he gives some painkillers. The pain is gone. So this patient says, wow, कितने अच्छे डॉक्टर हैं, फटाफट ठीक कर दिया मुझे. That's how people are. When people, they go to doctors and they give some very strong treatment, symptomatic treatment which relieves their pain, अच्छा डॉक्टर है. ये डॉक्टर तो दवाई ठीक से नहीं देते हैं, कितने हफ्ते हो गए खाते हुए, अरे बाबा यू हैव टीबी, यू हैव टू टेक दिस ट्रीटमेंट फॉर 6 months. नहीं नहीं, जल्दी ठीक करने वाली दवाई चाहिए. जल्दी कुछ नहीं होता है इस संसार में. So therefore he is saying yashreyasya nishchitam. Please tell me for certain what is best for me. Don't confuse me. I am already confused. और confuse मत करिएगा. Because Krishna, his nature is, he gives choices. He never forces his decisions on anyone. He gives choices. It's like there is a choice for everyone here today morning, Sunday morning में सुबह सुबह भगवत गीता क्लास कौन सुनता है भाई? संडे मॉर्निंग तो रेस्ट के लिए होता है. हफ्ते भर का जो भी है थकान, संडे को आराम से उठेंगे. 10-12 बजे तो सुबह होती है कई बार लोगों की. बट वी हैव टेकन अ चॉइस, वी हैव मेड अ चॉइस, नहीं सुबह उठना है. सो कृष्णा गिव्स चॉइसेस. इफ यू डू दिस यू विल गेट दिस. If you do that, you will get another result. If you have faith, you will get knowledge. If you are faithless, you will be lost. In 4.40 and 41, please take out that. Krishna is expert in giving choices. Krishna never forces his decisions on anyone. Because he wants us to take our decisions using our intelligence. Otherwise, if somebody else takes decision for us, in the future I will not do the same thing, because now I have a choice. And if I take a decision out of my choice, then I will do it regularly. What is 4.40? Agyascha ashraddhadanascha sanshayatma vinashyati. Nayam loko asti na paro na sukham samshayatmana. What is the meaning? Translation.
Ignorant and faithless persons who doubt the revealed scriptures do not know what possesses. They fall down. For doubting so, there is happiness neither in this world nor in the next.
Okay. So that's how if somebody is faithless, doubting, ignorant, they can never get anything. There are 3 types of people mentioned in this: Agya, Ashraddhadhana and Sanshayatma. Agya means ignorant, Ashraddhadhana faithless, Sanshayatma doubtful. Which of the 3 is most dangerous category?
Doubtful.
Doubtful. बाकी लोगों को डाउट है. Yes, doubtful. Why? Why doubtful is very dangerous?
Because you do not know what you want. You're doubting for everything.
Okay. See, my job is to make you think also, you know. जो लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के नहीं करना चाहते हैं, प्रभु जी हम सुनने के लिए आए हैं, डिस्टर्ब मत करिए हमको. Okay, he'll not trust anything. Yes, perfect. You know.
Doubt doesn't mean not trusting. Doubt means
Doubt is a function of intelligence, but to keep doubting is not function of intelligence. If you get something right, still you doubt. नहीं नहीं पता नहीं, कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा. तो सब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा.
doubting is inquisitive.
There is a difference between query and doubt. If somebody has some questions, they can be answered. Doubt means we generally use this, both words synonymously, but there is difference. In the beginning, doubt is okay because I don't know whether this is good or bad. Even after getting all the scientific, logical reasonings, still we keep doubting. नहीं कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा. ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं? फ्री में डायमंड कैसे बांट सकते हैं? That's the doubt. नहीं नहीं भगवान है दयालु. नहीं नहीं वैसा कैसे फ्री में? So a person who is ignorant, he can be given knowledge. A person who is faithless, he can be given faith. But a person who is doubtful, even after he is given knowledge, even if he has some faith, still he doubts. नहीं कुछ तो होगा तो. I have faith, but still I doubt. Suspicion. मतलब उसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. संशय आत्मा विनश्यति. Krishna gives a declaration. संशय आत्मा विनश्यति. And previous to that verse, what it says? श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम. Right? वही है ना? Translation पढ़िए.
Faithful man who is dedicated to transcendental knowledge and who subdues his sense is eligible to achieve such knowledge. And having achieved it, he quickly attains the supreme spiritual peace.
Okay. So there are two different people. A person who is faithless or doubtful, he is lost. And a person who has faith, what happens to him? Shraddhavan labhate jnanam, he gets the knowledge. The knowledge by which they can go to the higher levels of consciousness. So that's what we have to come to. So we have to make choices. Krishna never forces his choices, his decisions. He gives choices. But Arjun बेचारे यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं देखो कंफ्यूज मत करो मेरे को, चॉइस मत दो, निश्चितम ब्रूहि, एक चीज बताओ क्या करना है वही करूंगा मैं. But Krishna never listens to this also. He keeps giving choices. बस आज मैं बोलूंगा और आप कर लेंगे, कल नहीं करेंगे. But if you take decision using your intelligence, then you will follow it. Shishyaste aham. So he says, now I am your disciple. Can you please instruct me? Sadhimam tuam prapannam. I am your surrendered disciple. Surrendered disciple means I will follow whatever you say. There are 4 types of disciples. Uttama chintita kuryat, prokta kari cha madhyama, adhamo ashraddhaya kuryat, akarta uchcharitam pitu. First class disciple, he has full faith in the Guru and he understands the mood of the Guru. Even without being told, he does the service. बोलने के पहले ही सेवा कर देता है वो. First class disciple. Second class disciple, when he is told, he puts faith in his Guru and he does the seva. Third class कौन सा होगा? उसको श्रद्धा नहीं है, स्टिल बोलता है ठीक है अभी गुरु बनाया है तो क्या करें, अभी सेवा करना पड़ेगा. अधमा अश्रद्धया कुर्यात. विदाउट फेथ ही डज इट. पता नहीं ऐसा ऐसा क्यों बोलते रहते हैं मेरे को, कुछ भी देते रहते हैं इंस्ट्रक्शन. एंड हु इज फोर्थ क्लास? नहीं वो करता, हाँ बोलने की बात करता ही नहीं है वो, प्रसाद लेता. So he never does it. So therefore he is saying prapannam, I am your surrendered disciple. I will do whatever you say. You don't doubt. You don't think I will not do. I will do whatever you say. So this is a very, very important transitional verse, If we want to increase the quality of our life, we have to increase the quality of the questions we ask. There are different types of questions people ask. Some questions are casual questions. Some are functional questions. Casual मतलब आज latest social media पे क्या update आया, कौन सा movie निकला है, casual questions. Some are functional questions. Okay, today I have to do all this. I have to do this job. This project is to be done. But there are some existential questions. Existential question means, who am I? Why I am suffering in this world? Is there a way out? The questions of spiritual life. They are existential questions which most of the people they don't ask. Srila Prabhupada would always say, everybody is asking questions in their life. The morning, somebody gets up. Even the birds, they get up, they start chirping. What are they doing? They are asking questions. Where is food? Where is food? Prabhupada would say like that. So everybody is asking questions. But the quality of the questions, they decide the quality of the answers. Our inquiries, they define us. What type of questions we are asking? Are we asking casual questions or functional questions or existential questions? So here Arjun is really asking the existential question. क्या करना है बताइए? I am confused. So therefore it is very, very important to ask important and good questions. Otherwise, people they keep asking so many questions. Prabhupada in this purport, he focuses on who is a kripana, who is a miserly person. Miserly person किसको बोलते हैं? जिसके पास बहुत है लेकिन कुछ नहीं रही. He doesn't use it for himself also. What to speak of giving in charity? खुद के लिए भी यूज नहीं करता है. He remains like a beggar. Although he is a billionaire, he never spends a single money on himself. He is a kripana. He doesn't understand. अरे बाबा, you have money, use it to live properly. नहीं, बैंक में अच्छा लग रहा है. Some people are like that. बैंक का अकाउंट का डिटेल्स पढ़ के अच्छा लगता है बस. They will not use it for themselves. So This is Kripana in the material world. Who is a Kripana in the spiritual life? A person who has the chance and facility to develop connection with God, but he doesn't use it. He's a Kripana. He's a miser. Because that's the difference between humans and animals. What are the similarities between humans and animals?
Both eat, both
Eating,
breathing, mating.
breathing, reproduction, or defending, eating, sleeping, mating, defending. Ahara, nidra, bhaya, maithunam, samanyam hi etat pashubhir naranam. They are the similarities. What's the difference?
Thinking.
हाँ जी,
Thinking.
वो भी सोचते हैं, पशु भी सोचते हैं. They also think nicely. They have intelligence. What to eat, when to eat, where we'll find food. सब सोचते हैं वो. क्या अंतर है?
Questioning with them.
The level of questions are different. Their questions are only related to eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. That's all. They can't ask about spiritual questions. They can't ask about God. They can't ask what will happen to me after this life. And so if we are not asking such type of questions, scriptures they are saying,
पशु समान.
Dharme ne hina pashu bhi samana. Baba, this is the difference, na? If we are not using this valuable life to ask this very very important question, pashu bhi samana, because वो लोग भी वही कर रहे हैं. So it looks very strong when we hear, हम लोग थोड़ी ना animal हैं. But the functions we are doing, they are the same as animals only. We are just doing in a sophisticated way. Animals, they sleep anywhere, everywhere. We sleep on soft beds. They can eat anywhere. We eat in nice plates in our home or in restaurants we go. They can mate anywhere. Humans, they do all the facilities, all the arrangements. They also defend, we also defend. We have lots of, military art and all that. The difference is dharma. That is the question we are supposed to ask. Otherwise, eating, sleeping, mating, defending, they are the regular things. So, if we are asking right type of questions, we'll get right type of answers. And sometimes when we are frustrated in life, then we ask such questions. दुनिया बनाने वाले क्या तेरे मन में समाई, काय को दुनिया बनाई. One time Srila Prabhupada, he went to meet one of his disciples, and he had an altar. He was a nice devotee. घर में एक मंदिर बनाया है, and Radha Krishna is there, and the Guru Parampara is there. And then Prabhupada saw there is a photo of a girl after Prabhupada. So Prabhupada said, what this photo is doing in the altar? Who is she? He says, Prabhupada, she is my Shiksha Guru. She brought me to Krishna consciousness. You know why? How? He said, I was in love with this girl. And then she left me. And then I was asking questions. Who am I? Why do bad things happen to good people? And then somebody gave me Bhagavad Gita. And then I got the answers. I started chanting. So I consider her my Guru. So Prabhupada said, your sentiments are okay, but don't keep the photo in the altar. So sometimes when things go wrong in our life, then we ask such questions. क्या चल रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ ऐसा, क्यों कर रहे हैं भगवान? So we should understand that these are the very important questions we should ask. In fact, scriptures say we should not endeavor for other things in this world. All the other things are easily available. The happiness of this world will come automatically. None of us endeavor for pain. It comes. Similarly, scriptures say we should not endeavor for happiness, it will come. Do your duties, it will come. Happiness will come automatically. None of us think जीवन में ज़्यादा खुशी हो गई है, थोड़ी और खुशी चाहिए, थोड़ी कम होती तो अच्छा होता. नहीं, we all want more and more pleasure. But the problem is, the pleasure doesn't come the way we want. It comes at its own pace. तस्यैव हेतो प्रयतेत कोविदो न लभ्यते यत् भ्रमतामुपर्यदः तल्लभ्यते दुःखवदन्यतः सुखं कालेन सर्वत्र गभीररंहसा. Bhagavatam describes we should endeavor for that which is not available in this world. इस संसार की चीजों के लिए तो सब लोग प्रयास करते हैं. It is not such a big thing to get money, resources, fame, reputation. सबको मिलता है थोड़ा बहुत. We should try to endeavor for that which is not available in this world. That is the chance to develop connection with God and connect to Him. Understand what is the purpose of our life. So that is how we have to learn to apply. पढ़ तो रहते हैं. We are all reading Bhagavad Gita. Last 1 year also we were doing this. We have to learn to apply now. One time, one devotee goes to his guru, and he is telling his guru, he was very sad, and he said, Maharaj, I am very sad and disturbed. So Guru said, what happened? No, so many problems are happening in my life. So Guru says, तुम्हें उपदेशों का पालन करना पड़ेगा. तो बोले कौन से उपदेश? वही उपदेश जो तुम दूसरों को देते हो. So we are very expert in giving instructions, but we seldom follow them. You should not do sense gratification. मैं करूँगा, आप मत करो. So spiritual life means we have to apply the principles rather than becoming a storage device where we know all the verses of Gita, Bhagavad, all the Vedas. Try to read one verse and apply it. That is what Arjuna is doing here now. He is surrendering. Shishyaste aham. That is the beginning of spiritual life. Prabhupada writes, it's nature's way. Everybody gets into perplexities. सबके जीवन में दुख आते हैं, सबके जीवन में confusion आते हैं. But what to do in those confusing times? That we have to learn from Arjuna. We have to learn to surrender to a person who is intelligent, who is spiritual, who is realized. There are many people who may be intelligent, but they may not have realized it. So we have to find a guru, a teacher who knows, who shows the way, who knows the way, and who shows the way, who goes the way. One who knows what he is speaking, he shows to the others, and he goes the same way. He also practices it. Otherwise, आप बोलते रहो, आप करो. मेरा काम है बोलना, मैं बोल के चला गया. No. We hear the story, I think I have told this one time, a mother takes her a small child to a sadhu. And she tells, Maharaj, ये मेरा बेटा ना बहुत स्वीट खाता है, उसको थोड़ा बोलिए ना. तो साधु महाराज बोलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक आइए. She comes after a week, and this time the sadhu says, he tells her child, Beta, sweets are not good for health, you should not eat so much of sweets. And then this boy stops eating sweet. So his mother comes back after a few days and says, Maharaj, ये आपने एक हफ्ता पहले क्यों नहीं बोला? So he said, एक हफ्ते पहले मैं भी स्वीट खाता था. So I had to follow what I have to say. So therefore I also stopped eating. So that's where I got the strength to speak this. So therefore, we should know, we have to find a spiritual teacher who is also realized. That means he's practiced. He may not be on the level of realized soul, but at least he's trying to realize it. He's practicing it, trying to practice it. So that is what Arjuna is doing here. He is surrendering to Supreme Lord Himself. Prabhupada in the second paragraph he writes, who is the man in material perplexities? It is he who does not understand the problems of life. What are the real problems of life? What are the 4 permanent problems of life? Birth, old age, disease, and death. Nobody wants it. Nobody can avoid it. सबके जीवन में आता है. समय सबको चुपचाप बूढ़ा बना देता है. पता भी नहीं चलता. अभी हम लोगों को अंकल बोल रहे थे, अभी लोग हमको अंकल बोल रहे हैं. I was just asking, college students कि आप लोगों में से किसी को अंकल की बोला है क्या बच्चों ने? बोले हाँ, कितना हमको ऐसा शॉक लग गया हमको, मेरे को अंकल बोल रहे हैं। समय सबको चुपचाप, ऐसा आप लोगों को शौक लग रहेगा ना? सबसे पहली बार किसने आपको अंकल आंटी बोला तो मैं आंटी हो गई, मैं अंकल हो गया। समय सबको चुपचाप बूढ़ा बना देता है, पता भी नहीं चलता है। So these are permanent problems of life. So if we don't understand the permanent problems, he will always be in confusion, because he will keep on solving the temporary problems. He will not solve the root cause. Prabhupada writes, who is a miserly person? He is a miserly man who does not solve the problems of life as a human, and who quits this world like cats and dogs. Prabhupada is sometimes very strong in his words. He quits his world like animal. He's not understanding the value of life. You have got this human life, and you are using the same thing for, using the same body for those things which animals are also doing. You are a kripana. अरे इतनी अच्छी वस्तु है आपके पास, you are billionaire, and you are not using the wealth you have. This is so very astonishing. People in this world, they are very expert in doing all the time pass. They waste time royally. And today's social media, it has added on to it. Social media, मतलब I was asking students few months back, कितने घंटे आप सोशल मीडिया पे बिताते हैं? मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स, आई वाज आस्किंग देम। तो एक बोलता है सर 6 घंटा तो ऐसे ही निकल जाता है, मेडिकल स्टूडेंट बोल रहा है। दूसरा बोलता है 7-8 घंटा तो ऐसे ही निकल जाता है हमारा। उसके बाद पबजी में 3-4 घंटा निकलता है। पढ़ाई कब करता है? पढ़ाई एग्जाम आएगा तो पढ़ लेंगे ना, रात भर यही करते हैं। फिर पढ़ाई कब, फिर कॉलेज कब जाते हैं और सोते कब हैं? कॉलेज में सोते हैं ना प्रभु जी। So college is a time where people sleep. So time waste is a very, very big disease. Spirituality means you should be very, very careful to not waste time. Time passes by. As Chanakya says, you cannot buy even a single moment, even if you spend millions of dollars. Every second is very valuable. Prabhupada would always say, now this is, one recording I was hearing, now this is 1972, 7:40 in the evening, this time is gone. Even if you spend millions of dollars, you cannot get this time back. So we have a limited time in this world. We have to be careful. We have to take care of our family, responsibilities, job, but how we spend our remaining time, that decides our destination. Otherwise, kripana. And Arjun, he is so very disturbed. He says, I am completely confused. Karpanya dosho pahata svabhava prichhami tvam dharma sammudha cheta. Confused. And at this point of time, when Arjun surrenders to Krishna, then he becomes peaceful. When we connect ourselves to a spiritual teacher or right knowledge, we become peaceful. That is very, very important. Prabhupada writes, the miserly persons waste their time in being overly affectionate for family, society and country. We have to be affectionate to our family, to our country, to our society, but overly affectionate is a problem. When we think these are the only things I have in my life, बाकी तो सब not so important. My family, my wealth, my country, my religion, not my religion, my society, my relatives, they are all important. And spirituality हो तो बाद में. He's a kripana. Kripana thinks that he is able to protect his family members from death, or the Kripana thinks that his family can save him from the verge of death. या तो मैं बचाऊंगा या तो ये मुझे बचाएंगे. That is what Yudhishthir, when he was asked, you know what is the most astonishing thing in this world? Anyone knows what Yudhishthir replied? Every moment somebody is dying, but those who remain, they think अपना नंबर नहीं आएगा, नहीं अभी नहीं आएगा, आएगा लेकिन अभी नहीं आएगा, अभी तो बहुत साल बचे हैं. Time, lots of time I have. Time is so very short. Prabhupada would always make a very strong statement. Who is old? A person who is 70 years old and he lives for 20 more years. Or a person who is 30 years old and he lives for 1 more year. Who is old? So nobody knows how many years we have. So we should never think बाद में कर लेंगे, वो बाद में कभी नहीं आता है. So that's how we have to understand this. Human life is very, very rare. Many times we fear asking our questions, or we fear telling some people about our problems, our conditions, because we think, ये लोग क्या बोलेंगे मेरे बारे में, इतना प्रॉब्लम है इनके जीवन में. We don't have to tell to everyone, but we should find a person who can help us to raise our consciousness. Better to look stupid than to act stupid. कई बार हम लोग ने दिखाना नहीं चाहते हैं, but we act in a very गड़बड़ way. So Arjun, he is the best of the warriors. He is actually the best of the warriors. And he is surrendering to Krishna, and he understands, now in this condition only Krishna can help me. So that's how we have to understand this. Okay. Any questions so far?
Holy Holika.
Prabhuji is asking about something on Holika Dahan, not Holi. Okay, I'll speak something. Any questions? Any other questions? Yes.
You said there are 4 things people don't want: birth,
Old age, disease, and death.
then why birth?
Good question. What is the problem in birth? Because we forgot now what happened in the womb of the mother. It is not a very happy situation to be in the small place for 9 months. After 7 months, the consciousness is also, awakened. So the child goes through lots of pain in the womb of the mother. That is a permanent problem. Bhagavad Gita describes this. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanu darshanam. Janma, mrityu, jara means old age, vyadhi, disease. So birth is also a problem. Again, getting into the womb of another mother, staying there for 9 months, going through all the problems, coming out, and none of the child comes out smiling. और नहीं रोता है तो उसको रुलाते हैं. So that is how the world is. So that's why birth is also considered a permanent problem. We have to solve it. That means we have to act in such a way so that we don't have to take birth again in this world. Take birth in the place where there is no birth, old age, disease and death. जहाँ गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो. There is a place where God lives. Their birth, old age, disease, death is not there. Even Swarga has these problems. Old age is not there, but birth is there. And disease are also there sometimes. इसलिए अश्विनी कुमार है ना उनके celestial physicians.
Death is not there.
Death is there.
Birth is there, so death is there.
Yes. Birth and death is there. Old age is not there. But what is the use? मरना तो है ही. It is like some hospital says, nobody dies in our hospital. You know how? Because as soon as they understand that this person is about to die, they shift him to another hospital. हमारे हॉस्पिटल में कोई नहीं मरता भाई, दूसरे हॉस्पिटल में भेज देते हैं हम लोग. So that is heaven. Nobody gets old there. Even before getting old, they are pushed to some other planet, and there they die. So that's how it is. That is shooting star. Some devta is falling from heaven. हम लोग बोलते हैं अरे वरदान मांग ले, मरते मरते देखे जाएगा. Anyways, I don't know how right it is. Okay, so that's the problem. Any other questions?
प्रभु जी, आपने बीच में कहा कि एडवर्स सिचुएशन जैसे कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस के पाथ पे अगर कोई आता है तो वो सिचुएशन या कोई पर्सन को क्रेडिट देना चाहिए या नहीं देना चाहिए?
Of course.
Then is adversaries of yourself. Then also
We should not go and thank you. You are so very merciful. You are giving me so many problems. You are making me remember Krishna. But we should understand that this person is sent by God, by Krishna, to make me more conscious of spiritual life. So we need not go to that person and thank him. We should thank Krishna for sending this person in our life. अगर ये नहीं होता तो मैं चैंटिंग नहीं करता, ये नहीं होता मैं भक्ति में नहीं आता. हमारे सबके जीवन में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है ना. And we know ये नहीं होता तो I would not have chanted. Because this problem came in my life, I started attending some programs. So that's what Krishna says. 4 types of people come to me. Artha, Artharthi, Jigyasu and Gyani. Those who are distressed, those who want wealth, those who are inquisitive and those who are in knowledge. तो आर्त लोग भी आते हैं, दुखी होके आते हैं भगवान के पास. सब दुखी लोग भगवान के पास नहीं आते, नहीं तो हॉस्पिटल से सब बीड बैग लेके चैंटिंग करते करते निकलते. सब दुखी लोग नहीं आते हैं भगवान के पास. They have to have some bhakti credits. If they have done some spiritual practices in the past life, then in this life, in difficult situations, they'll come to Krishna. All the Artharthi people don't go to Krishna. All people who want to become rich, सब भगवान के पास नहीं जाते हैं. Those who have done this in the past life, they come to Krishna. Okay, so we should thank God for, sending this person. We should never be resentful. कि क्यों दे रहे हैं भगवान. We should be grateful. Gratitude, to be grateful is not a part of bhakti. To be grateful is bhakti. We have to be grateful for everything in our life, whether good things or the bad things. At least we can begin with thanking God for the good things we have in our life. Then we can thank God for the bad things also which are happening in our life. Mahavipattau samsare yasmaret madhusudana vipattau tasya sampatti bhavet ityaha shankara. Even in the midst of greatest of the calamities, how to transform विपत्ति into संपत्ति. विपत्ति को संपत्ति में कैसे परिवर्तित करें? यस्मरेत मधुसूदना, when you remember Krishna, then that vipatti becomes your sampatti, that becomes your wealth, because we got realizations in our difficult times. Remember God. That was Prahlad. In all the difficult situations, Hiranyakashipu was trying to kill Prahlad. What all things Prahlad went through as a small boy, we have not gone through any of it. None of us have tried to kill us or give us poison or tried to burn us. He went through a lot. For only one reason. He was telling his father, I want to chant. I want to serve Krishna. And Hiranyakashipu, he was saying, how can I love him? Hiranyakashipu was controlling the entire universe. Only one little boy was not following the instructions of Hiranyakashipu, and he became so angry. That's how proud people are. Arrogant people are. दुनिया मान रही है, एक नहीं मान रहा है ना. 1000 लोग इनके बारे में अच्छा बोलेंगे, that will not affect. One person is telling bad things about me. How can this be possible? He became so very angry. He wanted to kill Prahlad. He said, this Prahlad is like the axe which will destroy and cut the forest of sandalwood of the demons. मतलब राक्षसों के कुल को क्या बोल रहे हैं? चंदन का जंगल. And Prahlad is like that axe. And Vishnu is the person who is using this axe to destroy our dynasty. Kill him. If one part of the body is infected, it should be cut off. Otherwise, it will destroy the entire body. Kill this child. And all the demons, they started running towards Prahlad. Chop him, kill him, pierce him. And what Prahlad was doing? just peaceful, silent, absorbed in meditation on the Lord, because he had this faith. This whole story of Holika Dahan and the whole story of Prahlad, it is a story of faith. If a person has faith, unimaginable things happen. Faith sometimes doesn't make sense, it makes miracles. That is Prahlad. He was given poison. First they tried to chop him, pierce him with the tridents, cut him with sword. Nothing is happening. They tried to crush him under elephants. Huge Satyuga elephants, not Kaliyuga elephants. Very, very big, powerful elephants. Nothing happened. They tried to put him in a pit full of snakes. Snakes refused to bite Prahlad. They starved him, put him under ocean, tried to drown him. Nothing was happening to him. Then Hiranyakashipu had a sister. Her name was Holika. So he went to her, and she was having a benediction from Brahma that she will not be burned by fire. So Hiranyakashipu goes to her and says, "Oh my sister, please help me kill my son. You have a benediction from Brahmaji that you will not be burnt by fire. So what do? You take this Prahlad in your lap and will light fire all around you. And you will not be affected and Prahlad will be burnt." So she says, actually Brahmaji has given benediction that you can use this only for self-protection. How can I do this? Hiranyakashipu says, this is self-protection only. If you don't kill Prahlad, he will kill us. It is self-protection. That's how demons are expert in logic. That was Duryodhan, expert in diplomacy. How to get things done. So she says, barabar hai. And then she sat with Prahlad. And Prahlad, he was telling father, "Oh my father, please don't do this. अच्छा नहीं होगा." And he says, हमको अभी भी धमकी दे रही है. And then Prahlad was made to sit in the lap of Holika, and they lit fire all around her. And then in the beginning, Holika was happy, chalo abhi ye is about to be burnt. But unfortunately, she started getting burnt. She tried to run away, she could not even move. And ultimately, she was burnt to ashes. And Prahlad came out smiling. This is a story of faith. So in today's day and age, when we follow the rituals, many times we don't know the philosophy behind the rituals, the purpose, why we are celebrating this festival. So this is a festival where we understand and appreciate the value of faith. Faith can make miracles. So that is the currency which we want to gain in our spiritual life, faith. It will not make sense sometimes. Why should I spend my energy, my time in some spiritual books? मेरा इतना सारा job का काम बचा है, मेरा family में इतना सब चल रहा है. Why I should come and attend Gita classes? Why I should take to this process of chanting? It doesn't make sense sometimes. But we have to take the leap of faith. Then we'll see miracles happening. It will not happen automatically. Krishna expects some endeavors from our side. As we have heard this many times, God helps those. सुना तो बहुत बार है हमने, बोला भी रहेगा, but follow नहीं कर पाते हैं. Then we blame, इतना मेहनत क्यों करा रहे हैं भगवान? Because that's what Krishna wants. When we endeavor, then he gives mercy. He is ready to give his mercy and blessings. He is only expecting endeavor. Try to karo. Although you can't do it, try to karo. We have heard the story of sparrow and the Garuda. One time a sparrow laid her eggs on the shore of an ocean. The waves of ocean came and took away the eggs of the sparrow. She became so sad, crying, and she took her vow, I will dry up the ocean. I want my eggs back. So what she did? She started taking few drops of ocean in her beak, throwing it aside, again coming back, and ocean was laughing at her. Just see, foolish bird. Seeing the endeavor of the small bird, Garudji was attracted. Garud thought, oh, my little sister is doing such endeavor, I should help her. And when Garuda, he desires, he can drive the ocean. He is so powerful, he is a carrier of the Lord. That is our condition. We are not so strong to connect to the Lord, but at least endeavor. Our endeavor pleases the Lord. Okay. Hare Krishna. Any other questions? Or we'll stop here. It is 11:36. We have some time. Any questions if anybody has? Okay, so it seems there are no questions. We'll stop here. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Whatever is told, try to follow it. That is surrender. Irrespective of circumstances. Otherwise, where is the question of surrender? मैं surrender करूँगा अपने हिसाब से. That is not surrender. Surrender means I will do whatever you are saying. Because that is actual surrender. मतलब अगर पुलिस वाला क्रिमिनल को बोलता है सरेंडर, बोले सरेंडर अच्छा कितने देर के लिए करना है, बोले सरेंडर कितने देर के लिए नहीं है, you have to surrender completely. That is surrender, right? We don't like to surrender. When you hear the word surrender, it is very fearful word. Why? क्या लगता है अगर वर्ड सरेंडर याद है सुना तो? लॉस ऑफ कंट्रोल. और करना ही पड़ेगा जो बोलेंगे. और maybe exploitation. I may be exploited when I surrender. Maybe I may be abused. No freedom. I can't work the way I want. That's why I can't surrender. But Krishna tells in Bhagavad Gita, everything in this material world is opposite of the spiritual world. Urdhva moolam adashakam. Opposite the inverted banyan tree. The roots are up, the branches are down. That is this material world. So in this world, nobody wants to surrender because surrender is not so good thing. In spiritual world, everybody wants to surrender. Because they know, just like a small child, they are surrendered to the parents, right? All of your children, छोटे छोटे बच्चे रहते हैं तो surrendered. मम्मी जो देगी लेंगे, खाना ही है. So general thing is, मतलब बच्चों को चलो even if they demand, they know कि parents they are there for us. They'll give us the best. So we'll follow. If they are giving something, that is good for us. That is surrender. So in spiritual world, everybody knows Krishna is the supreme, merciful father and mother. Pitamasya jagato mata dhata pitama. I am father and mother of everyone. So what is the problem in surrendering to the father and mother? Because they know what is best for us. So our problem is we doubt. Because our experience of surrender in this world is not good. So हम भूल गए कि spiritual world का surrender अलग है. But उसके लिए test है. Krishna will test us for sure. Are we really surrendered? Surrender is not so easy. Vibhishan, when he came to surrender to Lord Ram, he was rejected by Ravan. And he didn't send a message and a mail or WhatsApp to Lord Ram. मैं आ रहा हूँ, मुझे ले लेना. Risk, complete risk. पता नहीं मुझे लेंगे कि नहीं लेंगे. नहीं, not Hanuman ji, Sugriva. So when he came along with his 4 associates, they were very, very fierce looking demons. Rakshas kul mein hai na, they are black, giant. And Rameshwaram, when these 5 demons they reach, they are in the sky still. And all the monkey soldiers, they are able to see 5 demons are coming from Lanka. So naturally, what is the regular response? Kill them. They are demons. And they are talking, oh, we should kill them immediately. They are demons. And Vibhishan could hear all this. And he introduces himself. He says, I am Vibhishan, I am brother of Ravan. Like, kill abhi maro isko. You know, they are very strong. And then Vibhishan, he speaks such a beautiful verse. He says, Nivedayat mam Shipram Raghavaya Mahatmane Sarvaloka Sharanyaya Vibhishanam Upastitam. He tells all the monkey soldiers, please go and request Lord Ram on my behalf. Nivedayat, Nivedan karo, please accept me immediately. Because by nature I am a demon. Now I have developed a desire to surrender to Lord Ram. Please tell him to accept me. बाद में बदल गया तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. सुबह सुबह गीता क्लास में आने का मन करे तो आ जाइए, नहीं तो मन का सुनेंगे तो मन तो बोलेगा आज बिल्कुल मत जाओ. So it was a great risk, but he took that risk. And Krishna likes to put his devotees in such situations to test us. कितना सरेंडर कर रहा है. सरेंडर कितना करेगा उतना भगवान कृपा करेंगे. ये यथा माम प्रपद्यन्ते. Surrender.
Prabhuji, can we see surrendering means dropping all conditioning and being open?
There are 6 limbs of surrender. There is a beautiful verse described by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What is surrender? Anukulyasya sankalpa pratikulyasya varjanam rakshishyati iti vishwaso gopatritve varnam statha atmanikshepa karpanye shadvidha sharanagati. Sharanagati, what is sharanagati? What is surrender? First is anukulyasya sankalpa, accept whatever is favorable for spiritual practices. Basic things, no esoteric, no emotions involved here. Follow what is favorable, accept it. What are the favorable things? Associate with devotees, be enthusiastic, be patient, be determined, avoid association of people who are not spiritual. Don't be greedy for material things. They are favorable. Pratikulyasya varjanam, whatever is unfavorable, reject it. What is unfavorable? Over endeavor for material things. Trying to get more and more material resources. Atyahar, prayas, prajalpa. Prajalpa means always discussing about the things of the world. Cricket में क्या हो रहा है, politics में क्या हो रहा है, world news क्या चल रहा है. We should not be so much interested. Try to avoid association of people who are not interested in spiritual practices. So these are some of the unfavorable things. Avoid it. Rakshishyati iti vishwaso. Krishna will always protect me. That is the surrender. That is the limb of surrender. Gopatritve varnam. Gopatritve means understand that Krishna is my only protector. और कोई नहीं बचा सकता इस संसार में. सैफी हॉस्पिटल देखा आप लोगों ने, वहाँ पे मरीन लाइंस पे उन्होंने अच्छा एक लाइन लिखा है वहाँ पे, वी क्योर ही हील्स. So when the Lord doesn't sanction, nothing can happen. Krishna is my protector. He will protect me. I'll go only to God. मैं और किसी के पास नहीं जाऊंगा. That is the faith. That is surrender. मैं बाकी देवताओं के पास नहीं जाने वाला हूँ. इंद्र, चंद्र, शिव जी, ब्रह्मा, इन सब के पास नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं कृष्ण के पास जाऊंगा. That is surrender. Atmanikshepa. Atmanikshepa means self. Atmanikshepa means self-surrender. Self-surrender means understanding whatever is needed for me to connect to the Lord. And karpanya, humility. Be humble. These are the 6 limbs of surrender. Very practical. Nothing emotional or esoteric in that. ये 6 चीजें शरणागति हैं. शुरू कहाँ से करना है? Accept what is favorable, reject what is unfavorable. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna. We'll have a few minutes of Kirtan. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम
राम राम हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे,
हरे राम राम राम
हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे,
हरे राम राम
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे,
हरे
राम
राम
राम हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे,
हरे राम 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 हरे, जयो राधा गोपी राधा गोपीनाथ राधे जयो राधा
Gopinath Radha Gopinath Radhe
जयो गौरानिताय 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 जय गौरानिताय जय
Jai
गौरानिताय
Gauranitai Gauranitai Jaya Gauranitai
जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल
Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol
जय कलयुग पावन हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय
Jai.
हरे कृष्णा थैंक यू